Okay, right now there's 6 lions. There are 6 lions over there where those cars are. So I like staying a bit from everyone so I can get an angle in case if they move this side, because the lions, they're trying to hunt now, and they've been sitting there, standing up and lay down on the ground, waiting for animal to come. So if they fail to catch anything, they will definitely come to the water hole and drink, and then the hunt continues. That's for sure. Even if they try to hunt now, even if they are there, so the chase will come this side. It will depend where animal coming from, but they will definitely push them this side. So the people there over there, there were like 15 cars over there. Most of them, they left now, they give up. And the funny thing is also, while we're here, because I've been parking over here, everybody's just looking at the lion. Here is the water hole over there. So what happened is, that was 5 minutes ago. So the leopard just came from there, behind them. Nobody saw it, only me. So I took a small video of leopard crossing in front of my car. I couldn't take nice picture with the big lens, and I didn't have my 70-200 ready. It happened so quick, so just took a small video, and yeah, and then that was cool. I managed to get a small video, but everybody was just looking over there. So when I told 3 guys that you guys are just looking at the lions and you missed out something here, and they were like, what did we miss? I said the leopard. One didn't believe me, so then I showed him pictures on my camera, because I grabbed few when it was coming from the grass. It just passed over the road. If you check the video, the same road over there. So yeah, I'll just wait a little bit and see what will happen. Then yeah, I hope I get something from 5 lions. I don't really care, because if I don't get them, it's okay. Because this morning I also saw one lion. I was just the only one on that lion, and I took few pictures, and it took off in the forest. Other people reported also that they saw some lions, but yeah, it's Safari, Namibia.